Begin by manually opening the collet and inserting any burr. Close the collet and use the supplied tool to loosen the collet. Once started, the collet can be loosened by hand. Remove the tool and the collet as one connected piece. Clean the inside of the collet using the supplied brush. Insert the brush and pull it out with a twisting motion. Clean the inside of the collet holder in a similar manner with the supplied brush and felt. Take a very small amount of grease. Apply it to the flare end of the collet, ensuring to use a minimal amount. Grease should be applied in a very thin layer with no excess buildup. Reinsert the tool and then place the collet and tool back in the collet holder. Tighten the collet by hand and then tighten the collet with the supplied wrench. And finally, close the collet.